David, we've come to the last day of the conference. It's been fantastic. What has been your highlights?
My highlights have actually, I would say, been watching the customers interact with each other, network with each other, learn from each other. I think that's why we really do this, is just to enable that camaraderie, I guess, from customers and prospects to come together and just really experience the ecosystem and the solutions and everybody around.
Fantastic. And I think from the keynotes there were some really exciting announcements and nice things that we actually saw coming out as well.
Yeah.
What would you say is kind of like your, I don't want to limit you, but what would be the top ones?
I think the intelligence services is certainly something I would say unique. I kind of refer to it as the next generation of self-services. In the old self-services approach, we just pushed a bunch of transactions to employees and managers, and we said, here, please kind of figure it out yourself. With intelligence services, we're actually leveraging the machine intelligence of the software itself to remove a lot of that complexity of the processes and enable employees and managers to do that stuff themselves. I would say the other big one is probably the performance management work we're doing. I think so much being written now about the difficulties with performance management, all the way to ratings and all that kind of thing. But I think the approach that we've taken there is actually quite innovative, and how we're looking at the real concept that we across here is how do I enable managers and employees to have a more intelligent discussion, and how to facilitate that discussion. What am I doing? How am I doing? What's next? And the feedback associated with all that. So I'm really excited about the stuff that we're doing there as well. That's
great. Well, thank you very, very much, and hope to see you in South Africa very soon.
I will be there soon. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Africa kukhala bangcwele, Africa kukhala bangcwele.